So in this video, we will be learning visualizing data in Kibana. So we will have a walkthrough on a Kibana dashboard, right? Just hit up to the IP 127.0.0.1 and port to 5601 where Kibana dashboard will pop up. So this is the basic dashboard where Kibana provides you, which have multiple information. We'll go one by one, right? The first one is a discovery where you will find all your logs with your available field of it. So you can visualize the data as per you want, and just by clicking on the specific raw log, you will find a detail about that log. This is not the log which I have pushed. It is the by default Kibana provides you a default dashboard where you will find a multiple raw log. It's like you will just try to learn about this log and have it like play around with this log, and you can find a good filters available it. So let's move to the next. Basically this is a visualization where you can visualize your data here. Basically I selected a map option where I aggregated with the max function and the field with timestamp. Just by hitting a play button, you will find all the details like a North America. Most of the field is for North America, right? You can also zoom in for this. The most important, you have to play around with the Kibana dashboard so you will learn more about it. For next field will be a dashboard. So this is a basic and default dashboard that Kibana provides you for a raw log analysis. So where you will find a unique visitors, where you can put a filter with the country and many more. Where you have response code, you can filter as per the response code. It can be like 400, 200 or 500. The average byte transfer. This is a flatted plot which for log file you will find what amount of data has been pushed by your host. You'll find a heat map here as per the country wise, source and destination, and a map. So pretty exciting dashboard that Kibana by default give you to play around, and you can put a filter as per the date and as per the, and also you can put a query inside it. Next option is canvas. So Kibana give you a facility to create your own canvas, like whatever you want, which have like 12 pages. If you want, you can create anything you want. It's the dark shade I have selected. So just play around with this canvas as well, you'll find more about it. Map, this is very interesting feature. I really like it about this Kibana, a map dashboard. You can zoom in and find the detail about a specific location. There's also a plugin in Kibana for geo IP mapping. So you rather than getting a coordinates, you can also get a name of a country and state which it belongs to. You can also put an add extra layer and put a roadmap as well. Next option is machine learning. So Kibana enables you to do a machine learning analysis where you have to run the job for it. So also already created one job. Where you can find a detail about it. Also find you like a configuration of job or JSON structure of it. Matrices. So I didn't set up anything for a matrices. We will have a detailed video of like how we can do a threat hunting with Kibana, where all these things will be get covered. Logs, where you can find entire your raw logs from your system, where also you can put filters like client IP, and if you like colon is equals, and you can hit this random IP, it will get filtered as per this IP. You can see this IP get filtered. Also find log, right? You can create a job for your ML. This is the job which I have created. You can get into, and you can do get analysis of your ML part, that is the machine learning part. I didn't connect anything here, but you can connect your application and find a performance about it. It's basically application performance monitoring. Uptime is something where you can also monitor your performance. It can be a host, it can be an API, it can be a network performance as well. A SIM, where your all event get logged. So you can differentiate with like a host, network detection and timeline. We're already connected this same host where where I get all my logs accumulated here. It show my success rate and the failure rate, IP which I have visited. Just spend more time with this application and you will learn more and more about it. This graph is a very exciting feature where I found in Kibana. It's basically a show the relation between each node. So, it show like browser detail, a country detail. It show the relation how your IOCs get mapped to each other. Basically, it connect the dot from multiple sources. And DevTool. DevTool basically give you functionality to run your JSON and find an output. Basically, it's something like an API call to your application. So whenever I write your JSON structure, just play, and you will find all the detail about it. So this is a basic walkthrough of Kibana, where I showcase some multiple features for it.